This is OnePlus Nord 3, and today I would like to quickly show how you can confirm the device authenticity for this phone. So first step is to launch settings, then enter the about device section, onwards go for the status, find email 1 and email 2 numbers, copy any of those, doesn't matter which one you'll go for, then open web browser, any one will do, any browser that you prefer using will do, then input the email.info URL and load the email.info website, then over here paste the copied email address at this field, then perform the quick captcha check, and hit the check button. And if the email number check comes back positive and the specifications it will provide you with will correspond with the phone that you have and that you would like to confirm the authenticity of, in this case everything corresponds just fine, you can rest assured and be 100% certain that you are indeed an owner of the original OnePlus Nord 3. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.